What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, if you have seen the thumbnail, of course, if not, then the video probably went on replay. I lost $1,560, but we might as well just round it off, right? So I lost $1,600, but it wasn't a bad loss. It's kind of a planned loss. So when you have a house, you kind of want to have a emergency fund account, because emergencies do happen. So my old machine, my old heater, it was working good until I think it was like September, till September came, and then all hell broke loose. Basically, y'all know I do a lot of DIY, so I changed the what is that called, ignition switch, or it was something else. So I changed two things on here. The heat wasn't working. The same unit that's here is the same unit upstairs, so I just took the part from upstairs and put it down here, and it still wasn't working. Now the issue was a valve. The valve wasn't opening on here to let open the heat, and when the HVAC guy came, he basically said that valve is very expensive. I am under warranty. I advise y'all to get a warranty company. We can go over that, and plus I plan on doing some of that. I have some series coming up for next year. Since the channel is getting more up there, I want to do like series to let y'all know what to look for as far as home warranty goes. And I'm gonna give you one example here. So the reason why I want to tell y'all about this is because watch out for warranty companies. They don't have your best interests. They want you, as far as, you know, coming along with them for the ride, but they don't have your best interest as far as replacing. What do I mean by that? Well, this unit here is, of course, it's a brand new unit, but remember, when you get a unit, you're looking for BTU. So it's basically something like square footage, kinda, but basically your area is, it does your space. That's the measurement of the space that you do. So if you want to get a heater for your garage, which I want to get a heater, kerosene heater, but the one I want is unavailable. Usually a garage 20 by 20, I think is, I forgot what BTU, I think 10,000 BTU or something like that, or it could be 20,000 BTU, but you want to figure out what BTU you need to heat up your area properly. All right, even if you get like a pellet stove, if you get a pellet stove, you want to see how much square footage or BTU does that pellet stove heat up. Now, when I was getting this, the HVAC guy called me back and said, hey, look, the company asked him if he can go like 10 BTU under, and he said he can't do that because the original BTU was already at like 50, 55 or something like that. I don't really remember the specs or not, but once I remember the specs, I'll make sure I try to insert that. But let's just say it's 55 BTU, the old system. They was trying to put, let's say 50 BTU, as in 50,000, all right? And that's the issue, because when you have a warranty company, they are supposed to replace this with the same specs or better. Repeat that again. They're supposed to replace this with the same specs or better. always make sure you check with your warranty company. Okay, always make, no, not the warranty company, but always make sure you check with the technician. All right, ask the technician questions like, well, how much square footage do this cover? You know, I want to know before you install it. That way, if you install something that's less than what I have, then we can't do that, because as far as their policy go, they supposed to replace it with something with this with equal or greater. All right. Once again, let's say your washer or your dryer. Let's say your washer or your dryer goes up and it does what's that, cubic feet, right? Let's say it does like 7 cubic feet or whatever. They can't give you a unit that does 4 cubic feet, because they said in the contract that they will replace it with something equal or better. Always watch out for that, you guys. Now, anyways, this is a Goodman furnace, and when you get this, you always want to go on the website. So I went on Goodman's website. I put in the serial number to register this unit. Now I have 10 years warranty, parts, labor covered. All right, I will post that too, just so y'all can see and witness this. All right, my AC went up a couple of times. What was it? Back in July or something like that, my AC went up, but we fixed our AC. So like I said, I will do some DIY just to troubleshoot. But when stuff gets out of hand, you can't find parts no more and stuff like that, you are forced to go with your warranty company and get it replaced. Now, once again, this cost me only $1,600, but it could be worse. If I didn't have an insurance company, not insurance company, warranty. Did I say insurance company first? If I didn't have a warranty company, this thing would have cost me at least $5,000 to get the guys or HVAC company to come here and install a new one. At least $5,000. Could be more than that. If you get lucky, it could be less. So for $1,600, I have a new heating system. It's not bad at all. All right, you guys, I just wanted to give y'all that update. They installed this back in October, and everything is good. It actually works better than the old one, so we're good to go. Like, comment, and subscribe.